What's up YouTube? And in this video I'm going to be teaching you the Suzette stitch. So for this stitch you're going to chain an even number for your chain. So whatever width you want to do, just chain it out evenly. So I'll let you get your chain started and get it to whatever width you want your project to be. For me, I'll just be chaining out 20. So I'll be back once I have the chain. Alrighty, now that I have my chain of 20, for row 1 I'm gonna single crochet the second chain from the hook. So this is the first chain and this would be the second, so I just single crochet into it. And now put the stitch marker in that stitch just for its, when you come back around you can put it into the right spot. And now you'll just single crochet across this entire chain that you made, whatever width you started with. So just put single crochets in it all along it. I'll let you do that since you should know how to do that. So just single crochet down the entire row, and once you do, I'll join back at the end and we can start the real Suzette stitch, which will just be, you'll just repeat this row 2 of the stitch until you're ready to be, you get it to the size of the project you want. So it's just, after this you just repeat the same thing each time. So I'll see you at the end of this first row. Alright, final single crochet in that chain foundation. And there we go. Now time for the real pattern, which will just be repeating this pattern for every row afterwards. So you'll just do this same row that I'm going to teach you the entire time. So now chain 1 and turn, you'll do this every time. And what you're going to do is you'll put a single crochet plus a double crochet in this first stitch. And then you'll skip the next stitch and do that same thing, a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. And then you'll skip a stitch and you'll just repeat that. So do the single crochet first, and now put your stitch marker where you're always ending the project in the right stitch. And now you'll just do a double crochet into that exact same stitch. Now you'll skip this one and you'll do a single crochet into the next one, and then a double crochet into it right after that. So that's all that this stitch consists of the entire time, just a single crochet, double crochet, and then you skip the next one, and you just keep doing it like this the entire project until we get over to our starting stitch. Yeah, it's a real easy stitch and it looks very nice as well. I haven't made any big projects with it, but the little swatch that I've made of it, I enjoy looking at it. But yeah, that's all this stitch consists of. A real easy one to go ahead and teach you. But it's nice to be able to change it up from just the regular single crochet stitches for every project. It isn't fun to use the same ones, so learning new stitches is always fun. So with our remaining stitch here at the end, with these last 2 stitches that remain into this stitch marker, you're only gonna put a single crochet into it. You're not gonna do a double crochet into it as well. You single crochet only to finish it off. So yeah, you only single crochet into this one to finish off the rows. And that is it. So you just repeat that row that I just taught you there over and over and over again until your project is the size you would like it to be. That's it. So at the start of this one, you'll do your first chain 1 and you turn it, and then you do a single crochet and a double crochet into this only single crochet you got there, and go back along it just like that. So yeah, that is the Suzette stitch. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next stitch tutorial. Peace.